Okay, so hi everyone. Today we have Nadia with us. Nadia is a first year student at NUJS Kolkata, who was also a student of Success Boot. So Nadia, would you like to introduce yourself?
Yeah, sure. Hi, everyone. I am Nadia Murshid, and I'm a first year student in West Bengal National University of Geographical Sciences.
So thank you for the full form of WB NUJS. So also, how was your experience in the entire preparation of CLAT 2021?
The one word which could only describe it was a roller coaster. Like there were elated moments when mock scores crossed 100, and then there were times when the scores dropped to 60, 70. Other than that, yeah, like it wasn't that bad an experience, but it wasn't even a great experience. So yeah, it was a neutral experience, I would say.
Okay. So also another question, there might have been some tough subjects which you could have encountered in the entire preparation. So उससे कैसे पूरा डील किया मतलब जो टफ सब्जेक्ट से क्या
Okay.
कैसे उसको
The
मैनेज किया.
the only subject which I faced difficulty or I didn't like was CR. Like I tried to give my 110% to it even 1 week before class, but then it was like, no, I can't be your friend even. I was trying to make it my best friend, but we had some sort of issues, so we did not match up. But yeah, destiny has something different. So I landed up scoring the most in CR in class. So yeah, it's like the only thing which just kept me pushing was like, okay, things happen for good, and maybe those less than 20 in sectionals were happening for this good thing to happen in class.
Okay. Also, there might have been some phases when your mental health could have taken some toll. Also, there might have been some pressure stages as well. कि जब ऐसा लगता हो कुछ हो नहीं रहा ढंग से पढ़ाई नहीं हो पा रही. So, how did you cope up with the same?
Okay, that was basically in January when I had school ka pre-boards as well as CLAT ka us time date was in May only. And everyone, legit, every Telegram group and every person I was talking to, they were already scoring 100 plus, and they were like, "Mera itna sahi mock aa raha hai. Everything is going good." Like some posts were fake, but some were genuine. So that was like, and at that time I was juggling between whether I should focus in CLAT and or whether I should focus in both, because I was a person who was like, मुझे दोनों में अच्छा करना है. ये नहीं कि I would prioritize. Like, yeah, I did prioritize class. So in that case, my boards was done, but that was pre-boards time and it was offline. So it was a very bad phase. I was like, I can't even focus to CLAT at exactly and boards का भी करना था. So that time it was like I was feeling like it worthless. I was like, ये क्या कर रही है तू, तुझसे तो कुछ नहीं होने वाला, ना boards होने वाला ना ये होने वाला. But anyway, it's like the only thing which I did at that time was GK, because बाकी subject would have been managed. They didn't require anything new to be done, but जीके का अगर बैकलॉग 4 दिन से ज्यादा हो गया, इट वाज लाइक कि वो कवर अप करने में you again take another week. So yeah, GK was something which I was doing continuously. Other than that, that was the only phase I didn't really like. Like it was a phase of not just few weeks, but it went for 1.5 months. So yeah, that was when I got derailed even from preparation.
Okay, so how much did you score in your boards?
98.5.
Okay, so how did you manage 98.5 along with the chat ki tayari?
The thing is, I had taken subjects quite wisely. Like I planned I am a person who plans things from the beginning, and not just that I plan, I even act on it. I like things to be organized. So in 11 only, I had decided that 11 se I will uh, focus more on boards, and 12th me I will go for CLAT prep. So in 11 I took subjects which could cater to my CLAT interest, as well as I could carry them ahead in my college. So I took subjects as sociology, pol science, English, psychology, and physical education. Physical education was the booster, obviously. So when the first lockdown I got, okay, that was kind of a boon for me. I was like, okay, fine, एक महीना भी class नहीं होने वाला. Let me wrap up the 12th का portion. So that is when by May my 12th portion was actually done. उसके बाद तो खुशी पे खुशी ऐड हो रही थी जब हर बार पोर्शन कम हो रहा था. ऑल्दो इट डिड से थिंक मेड मी थिंक कि यार ये तो ज्यादा मैंने कर लिया था, बट एनीवे आई वाज लाइक कि कंटेंट फाइन, माय सिलेबस इज डन. सो या दैट इज हाउ. So planning is a very essential component.
Okay, so also, what is your take on using Telegram and social media along with the preparation of that?
See, everything is fine until there is a limit. So basically, I was almost active on all the social media. Not, I am a person who needed social media for a break, but that didn't mean that I was spending hours and hours seeing reels and YouTube shorts. They were the only things I avoided. Other than that, I was there on social media. My Instagram timing was 5 to 10 minutes. Like I had kept a timer for it. WhatsApp timings were also 10 to 15 minutes, and Telegram was 20 minutes at that time. Like I used to use Telegram a lot, but 2 3 months before Clad, Prakhar Bhaiya made us leave all the groups, and that was actually a very good decision. I feel because they were actually acting as a toxic thing. Like people, क्योंकि कुछ time तक people don't give mocks on time most of the time, and they get the answer keys with them before attempting. So बहुत बार ये होता था कि कुछ लोगों को 150 में 148 आ रहा है, and वहाँ पे I was barely stuck in 70 80, so that was acting as a negative thing.
Okay. Also, what was the role of success board in your entire preparation?
I would majorly say the role of GP than saying role of success board, because the only persons who were available even at 2 o'clock were these two human beings whom I call goody goody people. Like I remember, I don't remember the month, but I remember talking to you at 2 o'clock, and I was like, "Mujhe nahi pata where am I leading?" And I was legit crying, and that was the time when you gave me those four saying like har din subah ko utke you will look in the mirror and you will say I am the best. And what were the other things I forgot? I will land in a very good law school, and whatever I will do, I will make myself proud. And the other one I forgot. So yeah, these were the jadoo mantras, whatever. But they were kafi helpful. Other than that, I had the silliest of doubt in my entire batch. I could give the guarantee that my doubts were the silliest. When people used to ask कि जीके नहीं हो रहा ये नहीं हो रहा है, I used to ask मुझसे break नहीं लिया जा रहा है, मैं क्या करूं? So yeah, and the weird part was Prakhar Bhaiya had all the answers to even these doubts.
Okay. Okay, so one last question, Nadia. What would be the tips and advices that you would give to the current CLAT 2022 aspects, keeping the fact in mind that there are only 6 to 7 months left in the preparation?
See, the only thing I would suggest or request you people is just have faith in yourself. That is one thing I lacked for a certain time. Like I know many of you would have imposter syndrome, like every other aspirant. Even if you would get 70 80 90, even 120 bhi aa jaye, you would see someone else getting 135 and you'll be like yaar मेरे से CLAT नहीं निकलेगा. So just stop taking it. Even CLAT can, the D-Day can change everything. So just have faith in yourself. बस खुद को एक ही चीज remind करो that okay, I definitely deserve the best. So whatever will happen for the best. So yeah, that is one thing I would just suggest to everyone.
Okay, so thank you so much for joining us, Nadia. All the very best for your next 5 years in the law school, and I'm sure you will enjoy them to the fullest. Thank you so much once again.
Thank you.